Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Anil Ukreja from Shaykhanpi BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on copper. MCX copper has been trading within a consolidated range of 733 to 723 for the last couple of weeks. While the prices have reverted after testing the higher end of the consolidation, it has also a trendline resistance around the level of 731, making it a crucial resistance for the metal. The momentum indicator RSI should complete a negative crossover as the prices breach the level of 726, which is the week's low, and support the bearish move. Prices should find the support around the lower end of the consolidation along with the 20 exponential moving average at 723. Thus, a sell on rise strategy should be used for the day, targeting the level of 723 and 720 with a reversal above the level of 731. Hence, we expect copper to trade with a negative bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.